Kung naghahanap ka ng townhouse or single attached dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan na very accessible sa Quezon City, Caloocan at Novaliches at malapit sa upcoming MRT 7, this is perfect for you. Dito lang yan sa Northridge Heights, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. 5 minutes away lang ito from Star Mall San Jose del Monte at along Quirino Highway lang. At ang maganda pa dito, one ride away lang ito papuntang SM Fairview, Novaliches, DITX, DMA Kamuning, Cubao, Quezon Ave at kahit MOA. Kaya kahit araw-araw kang mag-commute papuntang Metro Manila, hindi ka mahihirapan sa biyahe. Here we have our 2-story townhouse cruiser unit with 60 square meters lot area and 60.8 square meters floor area. Meron itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, car parking at service area. Sa harap ng unit ay may sariling parking space ka na agad, so hindi mo na kailangang makisiksik sa kalsada. Meron ding provision for water hose at electric socket, so pwede ka nang mag-car wash, maglay ng ilaw o outdoor CCTV. Functional at future ready agad, simula pa lang ayos na. Pagpasok mo sa loob, ito na agad ang living area. Naka-ceramic tiles, painted walls at may aluminum frame windows na nagbibigay ng natural light. Paliwalas, presko at tipid sa kuryente. Perfect for your sofa, TV area at chill corner. Dito naman sa dining at kitchen area, maganda ang flow dahil connected ang layout, mas maluwag at functional. Yung kitchen, ready to use na, may built-in base at overhead cabinets, plus ceramic tile countertop na rin. Meron ka na ring stainless sink with faucet at may dedicated space for your stove or cooktop. So kung lilipat ka, hindi mo na kailangan gumastos pa. Pwede ka na magluto agad at mag-setup ng kitchen mo. Sa ground floor, meron na agad tayong toilet and bath. Complete finish na with lavatory, toilet bowl at shower. At nakatiles na from floor to ceiling. Hindi mo na kailangan magpagawa pa. Lipat gamit ka na lang talaga. Sulit sa convenience at bawas gastos pa. Dito naman sa likod makikita ang service area. May sariling bakod na for privacy. Pwede mo itong gawing laundry area, mini garden o kahit outdoor utility space. Maganda ang pagkakalagay kasi hiwalay siya sa harap. Kaya mas functional at mas private. At kung plano mong mag-expand in the future, pwede itong foundation para sa additional kwarto or terrace. Yung hagdan natin buhos ng semento kaya matibay ito pang matagalan. Naka-ceramic tiles na rin at may steel hand railing for added safety. Enough ang lapad ng steps kaya hindi siksikan. At dahil mataas ang ceiling, hindi mainit at hindi rin mabigat kumakyat. Very comfortable to move around. Ito ang bedroom 1. Kasya ang double deck. Kaya perfect for kids or shared room. Meron na rin itong window type aircon hole at ready na ang electrical socket. So less hassle, hindi mo na kailangan magpa-install pa. May aluminum window din for natural light and good ventilation. Dito naman sa bedroom 2, kasya ang single bed and may space pa for a DIY cabinet or study desk. Meron ding aircon provision, ready socket at aluminum window. Ready to use kaya wala ka nang kailangang ipaayos o idagdag. At ito na ang master's bedroom. Kasya dito ang queen size bed at katulad ng ibang kwarto, may aircon provision, ready na ang saksakan at may aluminum window for natural light. Ang bonus, meron na rin itong sariling toilet and bath. Perfect for privacy and convenience, lalo na kung gusto mo ng sariling space na hindi kailangang i-share. Perfect for couples or even solo owners. Ito naman ang toilet and bath sa master's bedroom. Complete na rin, may shower, toilet, lavatory at tiles from floor to ceiling. Hindi na kailangang ipa-renovate, private na, fully finished pa. Sarap gumising knowing meron kang sariling CR sa kwarto mo. Bukod sa bahay, meron ding mga community amenities dito tulad ng basketball, volleyball at tennis area. May open space for bonding with family at may clubhouse na pwedeng gamitin for gatherings and celebrations. Kaya kung future-ready lifestyle ang hanap mo, kumpleto na dito. Perfect for growing families or even for retirement. Pre-selling pa ang mga units, kaya ang maganda rito, makakapili ka pa ng location na gusto mo. May inner unit, end unit, at kung gusto mo ng mas malaking lot area, meron ding corner unit. At ang buong bahay, gawa sa cast in place o purong buhos ng semento. Kaya siguradong matibay, solid ang pader at pangmatagalan talaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang aming upgraded cruiser unit, maaari mo na itong mapasayo for as low as 17,000 monthly with flexible terms na yan. At kung gusto mong masecure agad ang unit, pwede ka na magpa-reserve for only 20,000 pesos at 2 valid IDs lang. Deductible na yan sa total down payment. Kung naghahanap ka naman ng mas malaking floor area, we also have our 2-story single attached Elmar unit. Kung gusto mong makita ang mga units namin in person, pwede tayong mag-set ng free site tripping from Monday to Sunday. Mag-message ka lang sa amin o tawagan ang contacts na makikita mo sa screen. We help home buyers and investors make smart property purchases. We are Anjo and Rog and this is One Bahay PH. Message mo na kami, baka ito na ang One Bahay para sa'yo.